Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lock your Mazda CX-5 trunk. Securing your vehicle's trunk is essential for peace of mind and protecting your belongings. We will cover the most common and effective ways to ensure your cargo is safe. First, we will explore using your key fob, then move to the interior door lock switch, and finally, discuss important verification steps. Let's get started and keep your Mazda secure. Your key fob offers the easiest way to lock your Mazda CX-5 trunk. Simply press the lock button, usually depicted with a padlock icon, one time. You should hear a single chirp and see the hazard lights flash once, confirming all doors, including the trunk, are securely locked. Always ensure the trunk lid is completely closed before attempting to lock remotely for proper engagement. Inside your CX-5, the driver's side door panel features a central lock switch. Pressing this button will lock all doors, including the trunk, simultaneously. It is crucial that all passenger doors are completely closed for the central locking system to engage properly. After using this method, always manually check the trunk lid to confirm it is securely latched and flush with the vehicle body. After locking your Mazda CX-5, always perform a quick verification. Gently pull on the trunk lid and all door handles to ensure they are securely latched. Listen for the distinct audible confirmation sound, which indicates a successful lock. For added convenience, consider using the Mazda Connect mobile application, allowing you to remotely lock your vehicle from almost anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.